Hello, hello. Good morning. Today I'm going to baking. This is my first time to bake actually, and I will make sliced bread or loaf bread. Okay? That's my first time. Kasi nakakaya naman pag hindi ako mag-baking because I have a new kitchen aid. Da-da-da-dan. Let's do it. Yeah. Now I'm getting ready for all the ingredients. So let's go. There. Here it is. And for my baking. Yeah. You see, this is my new kitchen aid. Yan. Oh yeah, that's very good. Thank you so for this. Even I don't know to bake, but I will try my very best. So I prepare this bowl. I don't know. This is my first time, but I'm trying to do it. Yan, I use this. And I use this too. And then I use this, the cup for milk or water, and then I use this for smash, and then I use this for, you know, if you baking here, so you can use this one. And also I use all of this. This is we got this in Amazon also. And I have these things for tablespoon. I don't understand sometimes. Tablespoon or teaspoon. Teaspoon. Maybe the teaspoon is small. Tablespoon is big. Yeah. This is the teaspoon. This is the tablespoon. I think so. Yeah, that's all. I have 1 cup of milk, and I need to put in a microwave to become warm, and then I need water. Milk and the water combined, and the temperature of milk, it must be 106 or 110, not more 110 like that, just 108, 109, and that's it. 110, no more. And then we go for yeast. 2 tablespoons of, what is this? Active dry yeast. Ayan na siya. With granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon. So we put it aside. We use 1 cup of flour or all-purpose. Put in here. Sugar or teaspoon salt. 1/2 of salt. Tablespoon of salt. Milk. And then 1 tablespoon of butter. Here it is. For mixing in our brand new kitchen aid. Just like this. I think you need to lock it. this one, unlock, and then stir it. You do like 5 minutes. Look at this, the yeast. It's become bubbly big. Oh, it's what? Quarter cup of flour. Again, sabi. And then another more quarter cup. Third quarter cup now. Ayan na siya. It's kind of sticky here. Look at that. It's become bigger. Oh my god, it's big. Why become so much big? Oh no. Maybe I put a lot. Maybe I put a lot of yeast. This is my first time. I don't want to feel the feeling. This is my first making bread. So I don't know why it's so big. Let's see what happens. So now I put some oil, or now I putting the what's that? Butter in this side. You're presenting from Philippines. Sorry nga pala. I'm sorry to all you guys, my viewers, because sometimes you don't understand what I'm talking about, and you said you bored. You bored my video. It's boring video. Oh no! But it's reality. I don't want to be like crazy making video. You know, I'm just a simple woman. I'm like that. So what can I do? I'm doing laughing or tumbling. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Why is so big now? Very big in 30 minutes. It's just like 1 hour and 30 minutes, but now it's like 40 minutes, just like this. It's big. It's bigger than what I expect. So maybe I need to adjust the plastic so it's more become bigger. I don't know. Maybe I make two. Let's see. Now I'm cutting my salmon. Yan, very big. this one. Look at that. Not bad. So, 56 seconds in. Good. All for today. After I make bread, it's fine. The taste, it's good. I think only the shape. Oh, that's. Thank you.
Welcome.
So yun, there's a delivery from Amazon. I think this is a sugar. Yan. So guys, I'm so excited to make the bread. Maybe another many more, and I wish I could make some like cinnamon, because my asawa and my mom, they love cinnamon roll, ganon. So yun, very sunny day, but sunny here in Arizona, but it's not really hot. See the weather here? So good. Ayan. It's hot. Here's my flour here. My neighbor. So yun. So thank you guys for watching this video, and sana hindi kayo na boring. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye! Bye for now.